In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off swipe down on lock screen in Android. So on your Android phone, go to settings. Once you're on your settings here, you're going to go scroll down and go to lock screen. Okay, go to lock screen on your phone. So I'm just going to go hit on lock screen. And then once you're on your lock screen here, so here you go to scroll down and you'll see a notification option there. Tap on the notification option and you can turn this button off. Okay, in some phone you will have, there's an option called swipe down on lock screen to view notifications. You will have an option where you can simply disable that, because this setting may vary slightly depending on your phone's manufacturer and Android version, but generally it involves finding the lock screen notification settings and disabling these swipe down gestures. So in mine, you can just, if it's similar to mine, so you can just turn off this button here, just turn that off, the notification. And also you can go down and additionally you can go back to the settings and then go to notifications here, and you can also go to these apps, notification for apps, and then you can also like turn off the notifications from here, but this will turn off the notifications for the enter. If you want to like turn it off for the entire apps, you can simply turn this off. This will turn off all the entire apps notifications on your phone. Okay, and that's basically pretty much it is.